on, so please remain seated with your seatbelt firmly fastened. Once the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign, please limit your movements around the cabin, keeping the aisles and galleys clear for crew to safely perform their duty. Toilets are located at either end of the cabin. They are fitted with baby change tables and smoke and vapour detectors. So a reminder that smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted on board at any time. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. When opening the overhead lockers during the flight, please be careful that items such as water bottles don't fall out, causing injury to your fellow travellers. Very soon we'll be moving through the cabin with our in-flight service. You will find a menu in your seat pocket which contains a variety of food and beverage options. We do accept all major credit cards. Please have your card or device ready. You are welcome to order alcoholic beverages. They're only available for purchase from the cabin crew, so please do so responsibly. There is a reading light, air vent and crew call bell located in the panel above your head. We are here to help, so please let us know if there's anything that we can do to make your flight more enjoyable. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about Star Kids.